Ready to make your mark in the remote work world? Meet Remote Riches. Remote Riches is your ultimate toolkit for success. It combines 10 done-for-you exclusive reports with a complete training center to skyrocket your business. Here's what you get: 10 Ranbot titles, 10 online business tools reports, 10 DFY lead capture pages, all editable files, 50 DFY e-cover designs, full private label rights license, and much more. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Download, rebrand, launch. In today's remote work boom, there's a huge demand for tips and tools to create successful online businesses. Remote Riches offers just that. From starting a freelance business to finding the best stay-at-home jobs, it's got everything you need. Explore business ideas for retirees or discover 10 questions to answer before quitting your day job. Launch your freelance career or uncover niche offline businesses. Get tips on attracting more clients and maximizing your success on platforms like Udemy. Want to learn more? Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.